For this recipe, we're using 1.5 pounds of skin-on salmon fillet, cut into 4 pieces. Season the salmon on both sides with half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of fine sea salt, and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. I just want to make one thing clear. The half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper is for the whole thing, not per side. Okay? Now, in a non-reactive large skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, add the salmon to the skillet, skin side up. Sauté for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the salmon has been cooked through. The internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the salmon has been cooked, remove from the skillet and set it aside. Now, in the same skillet over medium heat, add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. Sauté the mushrooms for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until lightly golden and the excess liquid has evaporated. Season the mushrooms with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper, and once the liquid has evaporated, add 1/3 of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, followed by 1/4 cup of sliced green onions and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté for about 30 seconds or until the garlic becomes fragrant. Then add 1 cup of heavy cream, followed by half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Give that a quick stir to combine. Bring the sauce to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, add 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. Stir the spinach just until wilted. Bring the salmon back into the skillet and spoon the sauce all over the salmon. Now, turn the heat off and serve. You may serve this creamy Tuscan salmon with a side of rice, a side of potatoes, or a side of pasta. Anything you want. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, creamy Tuscan salmon. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.